Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel where I explore hotels, dining, and travel destinations. My name is Saida and I am the creator of Travel Check-ins. Today I have a review of the Hyatt House Charleston, Mount Pleasant. The hotel is located at 1430 Midtown Avenue, Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, and is just 10 minutes from downtown Charleston. The hotel has two entrances, one on the main street and one at the rear, which I'll show you here. Free parking is included on street or in the hotel parking lot. Here we're entering the hotel from the front entrance, but there's also a back entrance that I'll show you as well. When you enter the lobby, you'll see that there's a lot of seating, and then off to the right, you'll see the kitchen area where breakfast is served buffet style in the mornings. Breakfast at this Hyatt House is complimentary with your stay, and it includes coffee. A lot of times they'll have eggs, waffles, hash browns, fruit and cold cereals, and oatmeal. Now let me show you what it looks like to pull up to the building and enter through the rear side of this Hyatt House hotel. This is the first Hyatt House that I've ever seen set up like this, which is why I'm showing it, because I know my husband and I were a little bit confused when we pulled around to the back, but then also saw that there was an entrance in the front. When you enter through these doors, you are greeted with more seating, which again, this is the rear of the hotel. And then to the right, you'll see the check-in desk. So it was kind of weird when we came in, but the check-in desk is there to the right, and then the elevators are to the left. And straight ahead is where we had come in the beginning of the video. For our stay, we initially booked the Studio King Suite, which is a king bed plus sofa bed. It is 415 square feet. We were upgraded to the one bedroom kitchen suite, which is also a king bed with sofa bed. And the difference is the studio is 415 square feet and the one bedroom kitchen suite is 460 square feet. So we did get a little bit more space with that upgrade, which was appreciated. We've stayed at a few different Hyatt Houses. One of the things that was unique about this one is that they had a full-size refrigerator and they also had a microwave oven combo. So other Hyatt Houses that we've stayed at did not have an oven, just a microwave, but this particular location had a microwave oven combo, which is really good when you're dining out, you're eating at different restaurants and you're bringing back leftovers, or if you're cooking. This is the microwave oven combo. I thought this was really neat. I wish they would put these in all Hyatt Houses. We usually book Hyatt Houses when we're going to be there for the weekend. We're going to be eating out. We know we're going to have leftovers because I always have leftovers. I never really eat all of my food. And we also like to cook sometimes when we're at the Hyatt House. And we love that they have all the utensils, pots and pans and dishes that you need. You really don't have to bring anything with you. They have the dishwasher. They usually have a mini fridge, which they had in this room as well. But they also had the full-size refrigerator, which is something new. We don't typically get a full-size refrigerator. So the two added bonuses to this particular room was the full-size refrigerator as well as the microwave oven combo. There's a lot of surface space in this kitchen dining area for you to eat. There's at least 2 chairs in the dining area, which is always great. They have the L-shaped sofa in here, so there's a lot of space to sit down. Again, this is a full-size refrigerator. The refrigerator was impeccably clean. We're not going to show you the inside because we did have all of our food from the restaurants that we had dined at. There's just a lot of space in this room. There's a lot of light in this room, and we really just like how clean it is because it is a fairly new hotel. I believe this hotel was opened in 2019, which makes this hotel 4 years old at the time of this recording. So it's not an old hotel. They have a nice sized television that's on a swivel, so you can watch television from the bedroom area. And so you can also watch television from the living room area or the dining room area since the television is on a swivel. If you've ever stayed in a Hyatt House, especially the newer Hyatt Houses, you know what the layout is, you know what the design structure is. They kind of look the same no matter where you go. Again, the only difference that I saw was the oven microwave combo, and the refrigerator, the large refrigerator in here. There's no view out of this window, but we didn't go for the views. We went for the beach, and we went to visit a few of our favorite Charleston restaurants. And we stayed at this one because Mount Pleasant is like a suburb of Charleston. So it allows us to be in the downtown Charleston area within 10 minutes, but not have to hear like the downtown Charleston noise. There are plenty of drawers and closets and even a dresser inside of the closet. It's the standard glass shower setup in here. They have the soap pumps. They do have bar soap at the sink, but soap pumps and shampoo and conditioner pumps in the shower area. Everything was fairly clean. Again, this is a fairly new hotel, so there's not a lot of wear and tear on the hotel, which is one of the things we look for when we're booking. We like to look and see, okay, when was the hotel built? Because we know over time, Hyatt hotels, especially the lower category hotels, they do begin to become dilapidated over time. But this one looked really, really good. Thank you for watching this far. Go ahead and give this video a like so that you can satisfy the algorithm. We know how YouTube is. I would like to get this video out to as many people as who will find it helpful. Now let's talk about some of the costs and the stay details. This 128-room Hyatt House Hotel opened in 2019, so it's still fairly new as of the time of my visit. This is a Category 3 hotel in the Hyatt family of hotels and costs between $216 and $263 per night, depending on your membership status. I was at the hotel in September. To become a Hyatt member, all you have to do is set up a free account at Hyatt.com and you can get the member benefit. My stay was actually free, using points accumulated through my credit card. I simply pay my expenses on my card, then I pay the balance in full and earn points to use those for travel. I will link to the current best credit card deal in the description that will start you off with roughly enough points for at least one free night and maybe two. If you have any questions about this room, the hotel itself, or the area, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel insights and reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting.